flipped her over so that I could see her, all I could see was a cavity in the middle of her non-existent face.
He had bent over the seat, and I just noticed that his back was really crooked. And I didn't know what it was supposed to look like, but I knew it didn't look right.
If we did not start corrective action, he could end up being severely crippled for the rest of his life.
I asked the doctor, I said, "What is wrong with my baby?"
It was very scary. He was so little.
Because she was now uninsurable, we didn't have anywhere to turn. And then at that point, a Shriner contacted us, and Shriners was a godsend.
That's where the story begins.
Well, they've done basically the impossible.
I absolutely cannot imagine what my life would be without Shriners. I mean, it absolutely positively was the only thing that I knew about that could help my daughter. When we went to Shriners hospitals for the very first time, it was such a change from the hospitals that we'd been in prior, that the people were so much more caring, not only caring for the patient, but they were also very caring for the family. It was just absolutely an amazing experience.
My team of doctors is wonderful, and I always say my team. It is my team, it's my hospital, and that's how I relate to it. My team is very much a second family to me, as Chicago is a second home to me.
A patient like Mollie, any patient with a cleft lip and palate, have multiple issues related to the cleft lip and palate. So our team is composed of professionals to address all the problems that they have. We have a speech therapist, speech pathologist to address their speech issues. We have an ear, nose, and throat doctor and audiologist to address their hearing issues and their ear issues.
Our life would be different. It would be different if he didn't have scoliosis, but it would sure be different if we weren't given the treatments that he's had.
You still look much, much straighter.
He's living a very healthy, happy, fairly normal life. Most people don't even know that he has scoliosis.
So they've always taken care of me, and doctors are great. And I've had 5 surgeries already, so.
You're a person there, you're a family there, they know you.
They love him, they take care of him just like it's their own kid.
People at Shriners are probably the best people that I've ever known.
The advantage that Shriners has is they have great surgical care, they have great nursing staff, and we just have great support staff, both with occupational therapy, physical therapy, child life. These patients really don't have any concerns that aren't met by some support staff at Shriners Hospital.
I think that the cost part of it is a very significant factor that can't be replaced. I might have the ability to do part of it or some of it, but no, I couldn't do it year in and year out. There's no way, absolutely no way.
I don't know that our family would have had to suffer a lot and sacrificed a lot more financially if we hadn't had the Shriners to help us. But not only, it's not about the money necessarily, it's just about the quality of the doctors and the staff. And I feel like, they're giving so much to us and they still keep giving. That just amazes me.
Without the Shriners, he would not be the kid he is. Mentally, physically, and emotionally, I think they have taken care of him since he was 2. And, can't put a price on that, really.
I think it'd be kind of miserable without him, because, I think I couldn't live without him.
I cannot imagine my life without Shriners. I wouldn't want to imagine my life without Shriners, and I guess I just thank God every day for the days that I've had, and for the Shriners that have been there for me, all of them, and being able to have Shriners Hospital, because I'm sure that my life would not be anything the same as it is now without Shriners.
Without Shriners, I don't think she would have been the strong woman that she's turned out to be today. Because she has that face, she can be there, she can be out in the world, she has no self-esteem issues. It's just things that the Shriners have helped her with through the entire program. Shriners, you have absolutely no idea what you've done for my life. You are the most amazing people in the